Hello guys, this is Uday, a 3D artist. Here you can see a problem when I use subdivision modifier, the faces break apart like this, which creates many holes. Basically, beginners often face this problem, especially when they import a model into Blender from another platform. If I don't apply subdivision modifier, the edges look sharp like that. So I have to use subdivision modifier. To solve this problem, we will use wild modifier. So go to modifier tab and take wild modifier. When it's applied, the separate vertices will merge together. So here we can increase or decrease the distance value to check the result. You can see how much I am using. After that, we will use subdivision modifier. And then we can see that the problem no longer occurs and the model looks smooth. So friends, if you can't solve any problem in Blender, feel free to comment. I will help as much as I can.